One of the last jobs you might want to do before the winter hits is collect your leaves. It's a free resource, and whether you have to get them from the street or they are coming down in your yard, you can do two things with them. They contain a lot of nutrients from the tree. They're a good mulch. They will be in your garden for months. You can take and just make a universal pile in your garden to where you can retrieve them as you need them for mulch in the spring, or you can take, even though this bed is very weedy, we can take and just dump the leaves in the bed several feet high and let them be. This will work itself down to about a third of this height by the time spring comes. And then if need be, we can remove them, weed the bed, and put them back on. But it's a great free resource that you can benefit whether in the street or on your property.
For more information, please visit thewisconsinvegetablegardener.com.